Hey everybody, happy Monday. I hope that you are continuing to be safe and I hope that you had a nice weekend. Just want to say hi, check in, see how you're doing. I hope that you checked out some of the link that I sent out last week to typing.com and started to play around with the lessons. Like I said, this is not required, it is an enhancement to help you help yourself become a better typer. What I wanted to challenge you with today is to revisit that same site, typing.com, and do a typing test. No, it's not going to be graded, don't worry. But what it does is it gives you some important information. It tells you how fast you're currently typing so that as you progress and continue to do the typing lessons, you'll see if you're actually getting faster. And that what we want to see is that by the time you end the class, your number at the end of the class is higher than your number at the beginning of the class. What do I mean by number? When you're typing, you measure your speed in what they call WPM, which stands for words per minute. Just like if you were driving, it would be MPH, miles per hour. We're not using the same type of measurement, so this is WPM, words per minute. So I challenge you today, take a typing test, see where you fall, and then keep on doing those lessons in hopes that those tests will go up. Have a great day, guys, and I will check in with you later this week. Thanks. Bye.